here since you this thing behind you all the time. Karen and Julie are going to help us out. Now, what's going to happen is Ryan and Colin are going to do a scene for us, and Karen and Julie, you're going to do the sound effects for the scene. It's going to be really fun. The scene is a bad-tempered Santa, Ryan. And Colin, guess who you are?
His wife?
No.
An elf.
Even better, you're one of the panicky elves. And you're late loading up the sleigh to start your round of deliveries. And you guys are going to do the sound effects. Take it away.
I'm panicking. We're way behind schedule. I'll get you in a second. The other elves are planning on...
It's already 10 o'clock. I have to start pretty soon. You and your damn unions.
Well, I just have to finish hammering this train. It did it by itself.
Well, what do I need you for if it does it by itself?
No, I was using my telekinesis powers.
Oh.
Well,
Something tells me it's margarita time.
Oh, no, Santa.
I like it lumpy. You blend it too much, it just gets you.
Yeah. Cheers.
See, gone. But it's that lumpy, one swallow will do it for you. Well, we better get going. Let's load up that sleigh with what we got.
All right. Oh, this one has all the metal toys in it.
Oh, well, be careful.
I put some rubber in to silence it a little. It's not as clinky.
Oh. All right, well, I'll go gather up the reindeer while you're loading the gifts.
All right.
I forgot I took that door off last week.
That's the last margarita for you.
Sorry, lumpy margaritas get to you. Here, Blitzen. Here, Donner. Here, Rudolph. Have you been feeding them?
Sorry.
Feed the reindeer. Feed the reindeer.
No, they were fine. I just washed them.
Never gonna get that sleigh off the ground with these guys. You're gonna have to pull the sleigh this year.
Oh, I better get some magic flying dust.
All right. I've had all the doors taken off, everything in here.
Boy, this cork is on tight.
Packed for freshness.
Oh, it expired last March.
Well, get up there. I'm going to hook you up.
All right.
Here, put on this harness. It's a very special musical harness.
That's very nice.
We hook you up. All right, let me get in the sleigh back here. Got my lucky frog. Quiet. Bigger than the damn reindeer now.
You know what? You better hand me the special horn in case there's planes in front of me.
All right, I know how to fly a sleigh.
Let me just test it.
Awooga.
You have a smaller Awooga?